Hello, grade 6. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today is Thursday. This is chapter 6, lesson 11, order fractions. As you can see here, you can see this, you can find this lesson at page 198. Okay, so you have to write these fractions in order from least to greatest. We have 1 and 1 out of 4, 2 out of 3, and 5 out of 6. So we have 3 fractions. 2 of them are mixed numbers. And now we need to put them in order from least to greatest. Okay. You have to do something to compare and order, as you can see here. To compare and order mixed numbers. With unlike denominators, you have to compare the whole numbers and rename each fraction using the LCD, then compare the numerators. So the last step is to compare the numerators. We have first to compare the whole number, then we have to rename each fraction using the LCD, then to compare the numerators. Then when we compare the numerators, now we can write them in order from least to greatest, okay? Okay. So let's check this one. We have here 1 and 1 out of 4. Here we needed to, we have look at the denominators here. We have 4, 3, and 6. 4, 3, and 6. Okay? We can make them, all of them, we can make them 12. We can make the 6 12 by multiplying it by 2. So this can be times 2 times 2. This one also times 4 times 4. And this one times 3 times 3. Now 3 times 1 is 3 out of 12. And don't forget the whole number, which is 1. The next one is 4 times 2 times 4, that's 8. 8 out of 12. And the last one is 5 times 2, that's 10. 10 out of 12. And here we have 1. Now we have the same 3 fractions with like denominators, okay? We have 1, 3 out of 12. 8 out of 12, and 1 and 10 out of 12. So from least to greatest, this one is the least. It's so clear that this one, which is 8 out of 12, is the least. So we write here 8 out of 12. This one is the least. Now let's go to the next one. We have 1 and 3 out of 12, and 1 and 10 out of 12. Which one is less? 3 or 10, so we write 1 and 3 out of 12. The last one, as you can see, is 1 and 10 out of 12. Okay? So this way we do compare the fractions. You have to make all the fractions, all the numerator, common numerators or the same numerator, and then you can compare. Study these examples. Here we have order from greatest to least. We have 2 and 1 out of 8, 2 and 3 out of 4, and 19 out of 8. As you can see here, we have 2 fractions with the denominator of 8, and we are working on this example. We have this one, the denominator is 8, and this one, the denominator is also 8. This one, the denominator is 4. How can we make the 4 8s? We simply multiply it times 2. Let's multiply it by 2. 3 لازم نضرب البسط والمقام. We can't just multiply one single thing. So 3 times 2, this will be 6, and 4 times 2, this will be 8. So this one is 2 and 6 out of 8. Now you have to order them from greatest to least. From greatest to least. We have 2 and 6 out of 8. And 2 and 1 out of 8 and 19 out of 8. طب I can't compare two mixed number with one improper fraction. So you have to change this improper fraction one more time. Okay, so we have here 19 out of 8. It will be 2 and 3 out of 8. عملنا لها قسمة طويلة. 19 تقسيم 8 احنا في عنا 2 بدل عنا 19 ناقص 16 بدل الجواب 3. Okay, now this way we do order fractions. To be honest احنا يعني إن شاء الله on Sunday and on Monday we will be having live classes for this lesson to solve questions from 1 to 16. So this one is just an introduction into order fractions to إن شاء الله يعني study them very well on Sunday and Monday. But I still need you to do one single thing to answer this question here on your notebook, this one here, this example here, and this example here. So 3 examples are your homework. You have to write the title, the page number, and to try to do them. Try to watch the video more than one time that you can understand what I will explain on the next live session, inshallah. I will see you on Sunday. Don't panic, it's an easy lesson. We just need to order our ideas, and inshallah everything will be okay. See you inshallah next time. Bye bye.